Caution is the word today. Let us examine exactly what is driving the retreat. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete global indices roundup for June 18th. It is a cautious session across financial markets. Equity markets are responding to reports that what does 2026 hold for your investments in gold, silver ETFs, NDTV profit. Let us go region by region across the major global indices. Starting with the Americas session. S&P 500 dipped -1.21% to $7,420.10. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Dow soars 900 points as Trump axes attack plans. Caterpillar, space names rally. Investors Business Daily. NASDAQ 100 is trading lower by -0.99% at $29,671. Investor sentiment is being shaped by GOT $1,500. 3 no-brainer artificial intelligence, ARI, semiconductor stocks to buy before they soar once again. The Motley Fool. Dow Jones dipped -0.98% to $51,493. Equity markets are responding to reports that what does 2026 hold for your investments in gold, silver ETFs, NDTV profit. Starting with the Europe session. DAX is little changed, hovering near $24,935. Traders are reacting to news that stock market today. Dow soars 900 points as Trump axes attack plans. Caterpillar, space names rally. Investors Business Daily. FTSE 100 is broadly flat at $10,509, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Starting with the Asia session. Nikkei 225 climbed +1.74% to $71,117. The move in the dollar reflects reports that monetary policy decisions. European Central Bank. Hang Seng dropped sharply -1.70% to $23,900. Traders are reacting to news that what the Glencore downgrade says about ASX iron ore majors. thebull.com.au. KOSPI is up +1.63%, trading at $9,009.11. Investor sentiment is being shaped by GOT $1,500. 3 no-brainer artificial intelligence, ARI, semiconductor stocks to buy before they soar once again. The Motley Fool. Nifty 50 is little changed, hovering near $24,110. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Dow soars 900 points as Trump axes attack plans. Caterpillar, space names rally. Investors Business Daily. Sensex is broadly flat at $77,261, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. Dow soars 900 points as Trump axes attack plans. Caterpillar, space names rally. Investors Business Daily. ASX 200 is trading lower by -0.51%. at $8,921. Traders are reacting to news that what the Glencore downgrade says about ASX iron ore majors. thebull.com.au. Now, a look at some of India's most active stocks in the news today. Wipro slipped -0.23% to 184.04 Indian rupees. AI services revenue, particularly enterprise AI implementation projects, is the emerging differentiation story. The EBIT margin target of 17 to 17.5% is on track. Watch U.S. financial services deal activity as the indicator of whether demand is genuinely recovering. HDFC Bank is up +1.65%, trading at 800.05 Indian rupees. Net interest margin is under some pressure from deposit cost competition, but the liability franchise, the cheapest deposit base in private banking, is the structural moat. Any RBI commentary on the bank's operational constraints being lifted would be a significant re-rating catalyst. Infosys dropped sharply -1.86% to 1,136.20 Indian rupees. The Cobalt AI deal pipeline is growing, but revenue conversion takes 6 to 12 months. Near-term earnings momentum depends on existing account mining. Watch for any guidance revision commentary ahead of the quarterly earnings. The whisper is that the management has become more conservative than warranted. Now let us look at what is driving these moves at the macro level. On the geopolitical front, Traders are reacting to news that stock market today. Dow soars 900 points as Trump axes attack plans. Caterpillar, space names rally. Investors Business Daily. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs. Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Equity markets are responding to reports that what does 2026 hold for your investments in gold, silver ETFs NDTV profit. And looking at how some of the biggest global names are trading today. Meta plunged minus 5.44% to $567.58 in a significant session. The advertising engine continues to outpace expectations. AI-driven targeting improvements are delivering direct revenue per user gains each quarter. The key variable to watch is engagement per user as Reels, Stories, and Threads compete for time. Reality Labs' losses are the one overhang, but core momentum is exceptional. Microsoft made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 3.79% to $378.91. Azure AI services revenue is the key number. Each point of acceleration in cloud growth translates directly into a higher earnings multiple. Copilot enterprise adoption is still early innings, but the renewal rate data from the sales force is encouraging. Any guidance upgrade on cloud segment margins would be the catalyst for the next leg up. ASML made a dramatic move today, surged plus 3.54% to $1,867.83. The EUV monopoly is one of the strongest competitive moats in all of technology. AI chip demand for the most advanced nodes directly benefits ASML without the execution risk of being a chip maker. Watch for any update on the 2026 to 2027 capacity shipment schedule. Let us give you our near-term view on the Nikkei 225. The near-term technical picture for Nikkei 225 looks constructive. Watch the $73,961 level as the first meaningful resistance zone. A close above there on decent volume would be an encouraging sign for bulls. As always, this is analytical commentary, not financial advice. To summarize, 7 indices in the green, 6 in the red today. Risk-on conditions dominate the global equity landscape. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Every morning, before markets open, we break down exactly what is moving and why. If you want that edge every day, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If today's analysis was useful, a like is the best way to support the channel. We genuinely appreciate every single one. We read every comment. Drop your view below. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your global indices roundup from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily updates across every major market.